just a song that has been going through my head all day today on this Memorial Day. So I figured I'd just play it. People staring at me as they wheel me up the ramp towards the plane. The war is over for me. I've forgotten everything except the pain. Thank you, sir, and yes, sir, it was worth it for the old red, white, and blue. Since I won't be walking, I suppose I'll save some money buying shoes. Bottle hidden underneath the blanket over my two mangled legs. I can see the stewardess wake over me and ask, were you afraid? I say, well, I know I'm Superman. I couldn't make the phone booth flight in time. Gee, I gets a lot of laughs if he remembers all the funny lines. Mama, beg goodbye. Daddy, kill a chicken. Your son's coming home 11:35 on Wednesday night. Mama, she'll be crying and Daddy'll say, son, did they treat you good? My uncle, he'll be drunk and he'll say, boy, they do some real great things. Boy,